My husband and I went to the Big Island, Hawaii recently, and we fell in love with the little town of Waimea, which is like a little bit elevated. It's not so hot in there. But we visited one particular house when we were there, 3-bedroom, 2 full bathroom, and extra space for an office. This is the primary suite with the full-on bathroom. This living room is to die for. Look at the ceilings, at the fireplace, all the decor, the beautiful bookcase. It's connected to the dining room. And when you go through the door in the living room, you have two extra bedrooms and 1 full bathroom, pretty spacious. Look at the views from the windows, gorgeous. You have 1 acre of the property surrounding the whole house. Again, we are in the living room, and I cannot believe I felt at home in this house. It's just gorgeous. It meets all our requirements. It's big enough, it has enough rooms for us, and the surrounding nature is just gorgeous. You are not in the town, but you can walk to the town easily. This is the dining room, and through that space you're getting to the additional space, which can be an office. And how wonderful it would be to go work and look through this window every day while working.